How to use Touch and Go e-wallet for parking. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Touch and Go e-wallet for parking. Open the Touch and Go e-wallet app on your phone and tap on the parking icon on the home page. Choose your parking location from the available options. Enter your vehicle registration number to identify your vehicle. Set the duration for your parking session and tap on Pay for Parking Now. If you're using the service for the first time, you may need to accept auto debit authorization and enter the OTP provided. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation of your parking payment. So that is exactly how to use Touch and Go e-wallet for parking. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.